There's a reason some videos keep people watching. Others lose viewers in seconds. Most creators think the problem is the camera, or the lighting, or the idea. But often, the real problem is editing mistakes. Small mistakes that slowly push viewers away. And today we're going to look at 7 editing mistakes that kill your watch time. The first mistake is slow pacing. If a video takes too long to get to the point, people leave. On YouTube, attention is fragile. Every second matters. That's why successful creators cut aggressively. They remove pauses, hesitations, dead space. If a moment doesn't add value, it gets cut. The second mistake is no visual variety. If viewers stare at the same shot for too long, their brain gets bored. Professional editors change visuals every few seconds. They add B-roll, graphics, zooms, or text. These small visual changes keep the brain engaged. The third mistake is overusing transitions. Many beginners think flashy transitions make videos better, but too many transitions feel distracting. Instead of helping the story, they interrupt it. Professional editors keep transitions simple. Most of the time, a clean cut works best. The fourth mistake is ignoring sound design. Video isn't just visual. Sound creates emotion. Without sound effects, ambience, or music, even good visuals can feel empty. Professional editors use sound to emphasize moments. Transitions feel stronger. Scenes feel more immersive. The fifth mistake is bad audio levels. Nothing makes viewers leave faster than poor audio. If the voice is too quiet or the music is too loud, the experience becomes frustrating. Good editing means balancing audio so everything feels clear and comfortable. The sixth mistake is predictable editing. If the viewer knows exactly what will happen next, attention fades. Great editors break patterns, a sudden zoom, a quick visual change, a moment of silence. These small surprises reset the viewer's attention. And finally, the seventh mistake is editing without a story. Editing isn't just cutting clips together, it's shaping a journey. Every cut should move the viewer forward. Every moment should have purpose. Because when editing supports the story, the viewer naturally wants to keep watching. And when you fix these 7 mistakes, something interesting happens. Your videos start to feel smoother, faster, more engaging. Your watch time begins to grow. Because great editing doesn't just make videos look better, it makes them impossible to stop watching.